Infiniti is solidly settled and SUV arrive. Notwithstanding the dispatch of the new 2019 QX50 hybrid, Infiniti as of late gave the QX80 a great-looking refresh. Presently Nissan's superior image is demonstrating a considerably swankier trim called Limited for the QX80 and the maturing QX60. Visual improvements for the new QX60 Limited come as a dim chrome grille, mist light and compasses, and entryway moldings. The rooftop rails are obscured, the lower guard has new gleam dark paint, and the standard moving stock has been supplanted with 20-inch dim completed aluminum wheels. The inside is a tasteful mix of yin and yang, with soda-punctured dim semi-aniline calf constituents on each of the 3 lines and a dark dashboard. Dull sewing and funneling on the seats and stitched entryway boards make more difference, while dim silver wood trim and floor mats with differentiated channeling and metal logos include energy. On the QX80, the story is comparable. The front and back lower guards have been changed, while the bumpers are full brimming with 22-inch dim machine-completed wheels. The outsider trim and rooftop rails are silk chrome, and stainless steel running sheets are incorporated also. Welcome lighting shows the Infiniti logo, and another anthracite gray paint is offered notwithstanding the 4 different hues. Inside, the seats are secured with 2-tone semi-aniline cowhide and artificial softened cowhide, with differentiated channeling and differentiated sewing in a knitted example. The guiding wheel, snatch handles, and move handle are likewise wrapped in smooth cowhide, while matte silver open-pore center wood graces the middle stack and focus reassure. The main event and columns are dark microfiber softened cowhide. Additional treats incorporate floor mats with a metal logo, lit-up kick plates, and limited marking on the shifter and compass. Both the QX60 Limited and the QX80 Limited will be accessible later this spring. Estimating will be declared nearer to dispatch.